Super excited for this coming weekend. We've got the 2-day lease option accelerator. Basically, we're going to be doing a overview of how lease options work, how to find investors, how to find tenant buyers, how you make your money, and how the contracts work. So it's going to be action-packed. It's only $47 if you sign up now. And just wanted to show you quickly what you're going to see. I'm going to go to the classroom here, and we're going to be working from this content here. So basically what we're going to be focusing on, we're going to be talking about marketing, how to market, how to find tenants, how to find investors, right? So we're going to be going through the investor funnel. We're also going to be talking about how to find tired and frustrated landlords or distressed sellers, so you can do essentially no money down deals. We also are going to be talking about, let's see here, I did that one already, running the numbers, as well as the contracts, how they work together, and just to show you how powerful they are. So this is all this weekend, and I'm excited because this is a proven system that works. It's a low commitment for you because it's just 2 days this weekend, and it's only $47. So I hope to see you there. We're going to learn a lot. Take care. See you then. Okay, bye. You can shut the video off now. Okay.